Can you play Shadow Fight 3 with your friends? Hey guys, in this tutorial we're gonna see if you're able to play the Shadow Fight 3 online with your friends. So Shadow Fight does not currently offer you an option to play PvP with your online friends. However, what you can do is complete the chapters, then level up with your character. And once you level up your game, you can unlock online PvP. The players that you will be versing are real players. So what you're gonna have to do is level up your game, and then from there, you can unlock different game modes where you're able to play players online. And then you can also beat different kind of bosses together, working together with other people. So you can find different kind of game modes right here. And that is the only thing that you can do as of now to get close to playing with other players online. However, there is no option to add friends online, so you are going to have to continue to play with other players. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.